Want to turn your lackluster videos into visually stunning masterpieces? Today, we're diving into Nano Banana, the AI tool that's changing the video editing game. First, head over to the Nano Banana website. The link is in the description below. Create an account and familiarize yourself with the interface. The two main sections will be focusing on our AI enhancement and the effects library. Let's start with AI enhancement. Upload your video clip for best results. Choose a clip that could benefit from improved resolution or sharpness. Select the enhancement settings. You can choose to increase resolution, reduce noise, and sharpen details. Click Process. And let Nano Banana work its magic. Notice the immediate improvement in clarity and detail. It's like breathing new life into your footage. Now, let's explore the effects library. Browse through the wide selection of effects to find the perfect fit for your video. Nano Banana offers everything from subtle color grading to dynamic transitions and eye-catching visual effects. Click on an effect to preview it. Once you've found an effect you like, simply drag and drop it onto your video clip in the timeline. Adjust the effect's parameters, like intensity and duration, to fine-tune the look. Experiment with different effects to create a unique and engaging visual style. With just a few clicks, you can transform your video from amateur to professional. Nano Banana makes it incredibly easy to add polish and visual flair to your projects, saving you time and effort. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Nano Banana into your video editing workflow. Now you can create visually stunning videos that capture your audience's attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks. See you in the next one.